As we embark on this assignment, Bonasias, we need to take note of the stock of debt before us. We are aware of the desire to scrutinize, examine every bill to ensure that we recommend what is quality and what is payable.
This committee has been established to provide an independent, thorough, and transparent review of the medical claims submitted to the defunct NHIF. All genuine claims of healthcare providers will be paid, and this committee will be held responsible for the payment made to services not provided.